Corner. Cross pass. Reynon for 3. Bang! Oop! Oop, may pito. Uy! Uy, nagkainitan na. Mamaya sabi, oop. Crossover. Pass inside, wild open for 3 again. Bang! Once again. Dating, oy! Nadali. Oy! Binawian, oh. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Da Vinci Cup Intertown ng Ilocos Norte 2024 para sa laban ng Pinili at Dingras. And here's number 18 and number 0. And ball possession for Team Pinili. Corner. Pass to the middle. And setting the play. Number 99 drives. Kicks out. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. Where's Blood? And here's Team Pinili. Nabitawan ng bola. Natapikan. Naagawan. Pass break. 1-on-1. And setting the play stops. Pass to the middle drives. Pass back. Reverse layup. Basket and 1. Number 4 for Team Dingras. Looking for the receiver. Pass to number 10. Pass to the corner. Again, extra pass for 3. Bang! Bullseye! And a long pass. Crossover. Drives. Pass on the inside. Bounce pass. Spins. Libre. Easy bucket. Down to number 10. Bounce pass number 24. And a pass break play here. Pin it, bit lace. Oh, basket and 1. And the crossover. Number 7 nakalusot. Straight to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And here's pass to the middle. And for 3. Bam! 3-point! And crossover. And attacks. Straight to the hoops. Lace. Won't go. And a rebound here. Number 4. Reynon. Crossover. Sumigsag. Oh! For 3! Wala. Tip in. Wala. Pass inside. Fires off the glass basket and 1. Dingras. Cross and nagmamadali. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Off the mark. And the rebound here. Crossover and a drive. Pass inside. Ang gandang deliver and the finish. And here's Team Pinili. Oh, natapikan na naman. And all the way to the hoops. And a easy bucket. And number 22. Sail on for the inbound to number 9. Holds the ball. Pass to the corner. Number 7, D. Discarte. And a pass to the middle. Launches of 3. Off the mark. Off rebound. Putback shot off the window. Bucket for 2. And here comes Ting Ras. Nabitawan ng bola. Oy! Oops. Anong? Yan, pass to number 0. Stops. And the cross pass. Wild open for 3. Bang! 3-point. Stolen here. For Team Dingras. And number 8 corner pass. Open for 3. Bang! Once again 3. And crosses the mid lane. Pass to number 9. Stims. Pass to the middle. Attacks. Floater. Shot. Short. And rebound. Put back off the window. Bucket for 2. And crosses the mid lane. Number 22. Pass to the corner for 3. Bang! Number 9. 3-point. Na long pass. Reynon. Straight to the host. Pinabitin. Wala pa rin. And the rebound. Nagtatapikan. That. Oops. It's a bar. Ball possession for Pinili. Second quarter action here. And the crossover by number 7 is stolen. And a pass break all the way to the hoops. Lace. Bucket for 2. And natapikan ulit. And nakagawan na naman. Again, bumangga. Uy. Offensive foul. And David. Number 7. Pass to the middle. Number 37. Stolen. And again, natapikan. 3-on-2. Pinasa. Floater. Supal pa lang inabot. The save. The put pa. Pasok yan. Number 24. And a pass break. And sumigsag. Hook shot, wala. Rebound putback and a bucket for 2, number 12. Reynon for the inbound, the cross pass, corner 3. Off the mark, rebound number 8 behind the back pass, picks. Pass, corner sa 3. No good. And the rebound. And here's number 7. Pass inside, kicks out. And a drives to the middle, open for Fix. Put up jumper, bucket at the free throw. Na goes to Pinili. And stops. Corner, a chance to lead the game. Bang! For the lead, 3 points. And a change point. Change, oh, again! Change favor na tayo mga idol. A chance to add the lead for 3 again. Bang! Back-to-back 3! For Team Pinili. That's number 12. Number 24. And drives. Corner 3. No good. Rebound number 4 again. Raynon pass inside. Oy! Oy! Grabing tira yan. Na-save. And back to the ball game tayo mga idol. Number 31 to the corner. Attacks. Pass on the inside. Far soon. Lalim nun. And 5-point lead. Uy, pinasa sa loob. 1-on-1. Umikot picks. And posting up. Traveling. And a backdoor inbound for Team Pinili. And looking for the receiver. Kicks out number 12 to the middle. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. 5 for 3. No good. And the rebound. And here's Team Pinili. 37. Pass to number 12 again. Same spot. Bang! Same result. And the long pass. Drives. Pass inside further of the window. Bucket for 2. Down to 9. Number 37 for Team Pinili. Pass back. And sumigsag na tapikan. Na recover. Pass to the corner. Pass inside. Ang gandang pass alis. And a bucket for 2. And crossover. Raynon nakalusot. At the corner. To the corner. To the middle. Fires at the free throw. Bucket. Backdoor inbound. Bounce pass corner. And cross sumigzag to the middle. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. Natapikan muli. Picks clutch. Fires off the glass. Back to 2 point. And bounce pass. Pass it back. Corner. Cross pass. Raynon for 3. Bang! Oop! Oop! May pito. Uy! 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 Nagkainitan na. Relax mga idol. Kitang-kita ni Rep yun. Ang bilis ha. And here's number 4 Raynon. Natapikan. Dadalawa sila. Straight to the OBC bucket. Oops. Uy. And number 8. Nakagawan. And here comes all the way to the Oops bucket for 2. And the long pass. And the chase. Bucket for 2. Binawian. And a pass back. And pass 10, setting the play. And drives, kicks out, wide open for 3. Off the target, rebound, natapikan. And nakuha ngayon ni number 22 ng Dingras. And the long pass, all alone. Fires off the glass, bucket for 2. And 3-point lead for Team Pinili. To the middle. To the corner, attacks, floater, lays, basket and 1. And number 7, pass back, long pass, at the corner, attacks, no basket. And number 7, side step pass inside, stolen and a pass break. Ipar chance para may babang lamang, down to 2 for 2. Corner pass, attacks, lays, bucket for 2, back to corner 3 for 3, bang! Again 3. And 7-point lead for Team Pinili. The hook pass inside, sakto yung besa clutch, fire off the window, bucket for 2. Off the mark. And number 4, Raynon, pass inside, na libre, pinabitin pa, pasok yan. Pass inside. Ballesteros, pass inside and fires, short. And the rebound here for Team Pinili. Op na agaw, libre. Binitbit, easy bucket. Down to 1. 58-59, 1-point lead, hook pass, Nago for the lead, Lace, and a bucket for 2. Lead by 1 for Team Dingras. And here's Team Pinili. The crossover. Oops, corner pass, falls at 3. Off the mark, put back. Oh, up by 1. Number 12 right there, the answer. And number 23, number 7. And a drives, kicks, corner, step back for 3. Off the mark, rebound again, number 22 is there. Wala, Puloy. Ballesteros to save. And a wild open for 3. Bam! For the lead again. Reynon. Bounce pass. Lace, reverse layup. Oh, too strong. And the pass break here. For Team Pinili, number 7, pull up J, free throw, no good. And again, rebound. Corner pass for 3. Bam! For the lead. Target. Behind the back dribble. Hook pass. Another pass. And a bucket for 2. Basket and 1. Oh, pass inside, Naagawan. Mamaya sabi, crossover. Pass inside, wild open for 3 again. Bam! Once again. Nading, oy! Nadali. Oy! Binawian, oh. Oy. For the inbound is number 5, Carlos spins. Kicks to number 4, Reynon to the middle. Corner pass, fouled open for 3. Uy, nasa pala. Uy, na-recover, na-rebound. Papasok yan. For Team Dingras, number 5, nakalusot, natapikan. Naagawan. Naalis na. Sayang yun. And a lace. Basket and 1. 1-point lead. Oops. Uy, that's epic execute. And up by 1. For Team Dingras. And it's bounce pass. Number 99, pass back to the middle. One bounce pass off the glass. Change favor again. Number 8, corner. Fires at 3. Bam! For 3. And change favor na naman tayo mga idol. And drives. Attacks for the tie. Tie game! And here's number 8. Number 8. Cross pass. Pass to the middle. Sakto yung pass. Pinabitin off the window. Won't go. And again, all alone. Wasay straight to the hoop. CC bucket. And behind the back dribble. And here's comes for 3 again. Bam! Back to back 3. Parado. And here's corner. And a drive. Bumangga. Gawin Mekos yun. Bucket for 2. And 1-point lead again for Team Pinili for 3. Oops. Naagawan. Pass break. Uy. No basket. That's the end. For the inbound. Uy, naagawan. Here's Parado. Parado crossover, sumigsag, sumayaw, corner pass, pull up J, bucket is good. And change favor tayo mga idol. And corner for 3. Bam! 3-point! And the pass, number 25 to number 10, Parado. Attacks, Lace. Oh, grabing move naman nun ni Parado. And it's Team Pinili. Number 1 holds the ball. Number 1, crossover move. Drives. Pinabitin. Lace. Oh, grabe pabitin yun. 80-82. Number 21, fade away. For the tie. Tie game. Pass to the middle. Parado. To the middle. Ballesteros Naagawan. Bounce pass na una na. Ipinasa pa. Extra pass Lace. Wasal for 2. And Naagawan ulit. Uy, lost. And here's number 22, bounce pass, libreng-libre. Easy bucket. Wasay for the inbound, pass it to the middle. Kicks out. Setting the play, pass to the middle, attacks, lays, bucket for 2. And pass to Dalos, oops, Carlos. And fires at 3. Off the mark, nagkatapikan. No good, tinapik ulit. Wasay goes to the middle. Long pass, libreng-libre, easy bucket. What a pass! And the long pass, drives, corner pass. Wasay to take. And Wasay, corner, open for 3. Bang! Another. Uy, sakto yung pass, libreng-libre. Oh! Easy bucket. And 10-point lead, corner pass. Parsa 3. Bang! Down to 7. Reynon. And here's Team Pinili. Nakagawa na naman pass break. Holland, nauna lace. Down to 5. 5-point lead now for Team Pinili. And number 7. Spins. Edge crossover. Drives. 10 pull up J. Bucket for 2. Back to 7. And a long pass. Reynon for 3. Uy, may foul. And a 5-point lead mga idol. 2 minutes left. Up. Traveling. Parado. Sharing the play. Sumisinyas dito. Asking for a pick. Corner pass. Parado. Spins, drives, nakalusot. Lusot na lusot. Far sa 3, supalpal. Rebound, putback. Wala pa rin. At na-recover. Kick side wide, open for 3. Bang! 3 points! And 2-point lead. Oops. Foul. Grabe yung sigawan mga idol. Last throw, pasok. Spins. Corner pass. And here's tatapikan. Na-hoop, na-recover. Parado for 3. Off the mark. And uy. Last on the free throw. Pumasok yung una. Pasok pa din. 6-point lead. Parado. Drives. Pinabitin. Wala tips in. Pasok yan. And the long pass. And 4-point lead. Pass break. Nauna. Reverse layup. Bucket pa rin. And here's Parado. Pull up jet 3. Off the mark. Nakakuha pa rin. And here you go. Dingras. Spins. Number 26. Side step. Straight to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And a pass break here. And now straight to the hoops. CC bucket. For 3. No good. Rebound. Takes clutch. Lays up. Pasok yan. Baldugo for the inbound. Looking for the receiver. 5 seconds. Uy. May chance sila. Reynon, the bounce pass. Sumiksag. Pass to the middle. Attacks, floater. Bucket. And foul. And Wasay on the first free throw. 5.6 seconds left. Bucket. And the last free throw for Wasay. Still bucket. 5.6 seconds. 3-point lead. Down to 4. Down to 3. Natapikan. Recover. Binat. Uy! Hindi na iba to. Uy! And nice game. Napakagandang laban. Grabe. Congratulations. Pinili. Only 3-point lead mga idol.